This video is to show you how to use your fire maple backpacking stove. This is an awesome stove for camping or backpacking. It gets the job done. Anything you need hot water for coffee, for ramen noodles, whatever it is, this thing's got you covered and it's going to make it happen quick. I'm going to put a link below to both the actual stove and to the fuel as well in the description below. It's real simple to use. You're first going to pop this tab out here, just like that. And then we're going to screw the bottom here into our fuel. We're going to screw it to the right. Eventually you'll start hearing a little bit of gas come out, just like that. You just turn past it, get it nice and tight on there. You're good. Next thing you want to do before you fire this thing up, you want to make sure these handles here come out like this, because that's what's you're going to rest your pot on to get the water hot. Once you've done that, you're going to turn this tab here to the left. As you turn, you'll start hearing gas come out. You can hear it right there. We're then going to hit this button, and we got a flame. Now, if you want it to get real hot, you go to the left. If you want to calm it down, you go to the right. If you're done, you keep turning to the right until it goes all the way out. That cuts off the fuel. To take this thing apart, you're just going to do the opposite of what we did. Don't touch it as soon as you get done using it because it is really hot, but you're going to turn it to the left. It'll just pop right off the fuel. You can throw it right back into the case and you're good to go. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.